So this is pound yen analysis for Wednesday, the 11th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices interact with the 47.35, brief pullback down towards this 46.38, didn't quite get down towards that 146, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum take us through the 47.35, and again with this sell side momentum. So we're currently oscillating around the 47.35. If we can break and hold, we're then looking for prices up towards that 148, successful break from which we're then looking for prices to start to head towards the, let's just get this, I'm just waiting, there we go, 148.46. So if we can break and hold above this 47.35, looking for move towards that 148, successful break from which we're looking for move towards that 148.46, and if we can hold the 148.46, we're then looking for prices up towards that 149.10 here on the pound against the yen. If however we do fail to break back above and hold the 147.35, we're looking for a move down towards this 146.38. In around that 146.38, we do have the confluence of the 200 which does increase the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. But if we do fail to hold the 146.38 to move down towards a 146, and if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days or so, 145.11 may just come into focus here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. Here on the daily chart of the pound against the yen, we can see here we have our lows. I suppose we did post higher lows, we made new lows here, from which we've had a strong bullish move to the upside, bit of a bull flag in around that 400 period moving average, broke above it, retested, held the support, the 400 period moving average, from which we have seen a couple of tests now of the 47.35, and if we do successfully break, we're looking to see our price react around this 148, from which we've encountered resistance before seeing this sell-off. And if we are successfully navigating that 148, the very next major level of note here on the daily chart would be a move up towards that 149.78, where we do have the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.